Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, if we go to, if you go to phone, and then we go to settings, no connection to Bluetooth phone audio device, reconnect, cancel, cancel. There's nothing connected at the moment. So Barry's iPhone 12 Pro is connected there. We just want to delete it. Delete, yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Range Rover Evoque. First of all, we go to settings, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But over on the audio system, I'll just delete out of that screen where say we're in nav, go to phone, click phone, search new, and now best to do it from vehicle to device, because that should generate a random PIN number rather than you having to put one in. So the audio system's searching and my phone is searching. I've only just deleted it, the two pairings, so sometimes it confuses it and takes a while, but we'll just give it a minute. There you go, it's found it. Search new, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, click on there. To pair and connect phone, enter 9038. Just wait for it to come up here. Here we go, 9038, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. We just need the Range Rover Evoque, just wait for it to connect. Connected. So the phone's connected, and that's it. The audio system's connected too. Great thing with this system, in this particular car, it's got Meridian speakers. So if I go, I'll turn this down, I'll go to my tunes, I'll click rainbow, I'm going to turn that down, click play. You see at the bottom there, if I click on that, there's a tick next to Range Rover. That means that anything that, any audio that plays on your phone, if you've got your audio system set correctly, it will play through the speakers in this, and the speakers are fantastic. So it's playing, it's turned down, we go over to, or we can either go over to audio here. It's already playing there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you what to do if it's not. So it's no good doing it the easy way, is it? So right, we'll just go back, we'll go back to nav, click play again because it's gone off. So we want this tune to play through here. We go to audio video, and then my music. It's on auxiliary at the moment, and there's a plus here. If there's not a plus, just click out of it and go back in, or click into something else, and the next time there'll be a plus there. And then we want Barry's iPhone. See my music, oh, timed out, so we'll do it again. Barry's iPhone, click on that. So that's showing it's playing the track that's on here. Now I'll turn it up. I can't turn it up fully. It blows the doors out. That's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2011 Range Rover Evoque. Any screen, click on the home menu, and you've got nav there. Actually, at the moment, there was already a destination in, so I've just cancelled it. It's dead simple. If you want to cancel the guidance, you go to home menu, and then cancel guidance is just underneath. Now again, it's simple. Navigation, destination entry, that's all I have to do. Click on that, destination entry. We want postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, and then we are P R, let's come up to numbers, 5 4 E A. So that's it. Thanks for ringing right that specific time. So PR54EA, click OK. And then destination. We're waiting, it's looking for it. Destination's nearby. And now the screen's come up. there should be a go there, but because I'll tell you what, I'll do it again. I'll do it to our old place because we're actually here, and I've confused it completely. So, nav menu, destination entry, postcode, PR54JS. PR54JS, click OK. Destination, click again on destination. The destination's been set at PR54JS. Now we've got go in the corner. We click go.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.